everyone. So basically I'm going to be doing a reaction video to Rain and JYP's collab for the song Switch to Me. I haven't seen the music video yet and my friend asked me, so let's watch it together. So reading some things about the song just so I have some background knowledge. I'm getting this information off of Hello K-pop. So basically the song Switch to Me was written and composed by JYP. Song of the new Jack Swing music genre. This genre of the 90s incorporates analog sounds to a strong 8-bit rhythm. The artist collaboration will show a battle over a woman and the confrontation between Rain and JYP to win her affections will surely thrill viewers. Oh. And this was released on December 31st at 6 p.m. Korean Standard Time. Ooh, I'm excited. All right, well, let's go check it out. Gonna use the little wireless keyboard cookie. BT21 fans, anyone? Anyways, let's see. So, let's see. Right now, it has 5.6 million views on Rain's official channel and 860,000 views on JYP's channel, JYP Entertainment. So, let's see. Oh, well, that was actually for the teaser video. My bad, my bad. All right, let's get to it.
요즘 좋으시겠어요? 하는 일마다 다 잘 되십니까? 다 똑같지 뭐. 너야말로 요즘 날.
Oh, Rain looks really handsome. And also, JYP looks really good for a 49-year-old man, okay? And Rain is 38. It's like they don't age. Oh, I feel the tension. I feel the tension. Okay. Oh. Okay, I did not realize JYP was that tall. Okay, some product placement. I don't know who she is. I like her shoes. I like her outfit. Cute red dress. Ooh, ooh. I like her ear piercing. Ooh. Catchy. I like it. Oh. Okay. His outfit reminds me of Show News, how he usually has like a crop top. I like the dance, definitely gives me some 90s vibes. I like it. Okay, a Jeep truck. Kim Tae-hee is a very lucky woman, that's all I can say. Okay, JYP, pull up, pull up. Oh, oh, they really styled Rain so well here. A horse? Okay. Oh, she's pretty. She's really pretty. Oh, I really like the dance. Oh. And I love the outfits. Okay, we're all thinking it. B's body though. Ooh. Oh. Oh, I like that. I really like that. JYP with the rap. Okay. Come on, y'all. They know what they were doing with this video. Oh, this video is really funny. I like it. Poppy. It's okay, Poppy. It's okay. Oh! It's okay. I really like that. The videography is so well done. I feel like she's gonna choose someone else. Wow! Psy too, out of all people. Interesting. Look at all this. 3 companies, y'all. Wow. Funny, I like it. That's really good, y'all. I really like it. I really like it. Very catchy. Awesome choreography, which I heard JYP also came up with. Correct me if I'm wrong. But also, since we're on the topic of JYP, what are your guys' thoughts on the recent GOT7 disbanding? Very sad because I am Agase and I love GOT7 since they debuted, but I don't know how to feel about it. Sad, of course, but also like mixed feelings, you know, but I'm really happy that, you know, they'll get to do whatever they want to do with their career at this point. But leave your comments below and check you back later. Say bye, Poppy. Thanks for watching.